And now, it's time for DJ Raqi's Secret Files. Pumayag akong magka-girlfriend ka sa loob ng 7 years relationship natin. Hi DJ Raqi. Itago mo na lang ako sa pangalang Wilma from Samar. And this is my secret file. This is an open letter to my first ever boyfriend na si Mon. My first and future ex-boyfriend. Tandang-tanda ko pa yung araw na makilala kita at makausap kita na para bang kilalang-kilala na natin ang isa't isa sa loob ng maraming taon. We started as friends, besties, and turned to be lovers for almost 7 years now. Miss na kita. I miss you so much. I miss your kisses, hugs. I miss having meals with you and hanging out with you alone. Nakakamiss. Pero parang ang layo na natin sa isa't isa. Everything happens for a reason. Yan yung isa sa mga linyang buong puso kong pinaniniwalaan. I am happy to have you in my life. And if there is one thing I want to say to you today, that would be thank you. Salamat sa oras. Salamat sa panahon. At salamat sa mga sitwasyong nandyan ka kahit komplikado na. Kahit alam kong sinasakyan mo na lang ang katangahan ko. Salamat pa rin kasi somehow you made me feel happy. You made me feel loved. You made me feel wanted. You made me feel needed. Kaya lang, reality remains. And reality is, you love me cause you need me. Masakit. But it's okay. Katulad nga ng sinasabi ko sa mga taong laging kumokontra. The best part of love is losing all sense of reality. Pero alam mo, this time, I am almost giving up na. I am giving up the promise na inakala kong kaya ko. I'm giving up this love that I've been fighting alone. Oo, pagod na ako. Sorry kung hindi ko na nakayanan ng pain. Akala ko kasi madadala lang sa pabulag-bulagan o bingi-bingihan eh. Pero ang hirap rin palang mag-hold on sa relasyong mag-isa ka na lang lumalaban. I had realizations. And these realizations woke me up from my deep sleep. Ginising ako ng katotohanan na anything forced is not worth it. No worries, naiintindihan ko naman yung sitwasyon natin na mahirap sa parte mo. Sitwasyon na hindi naman bago sa iba. A typical LGBT love story between a straight guy and a gay. I'm a gay. Bading, bakla, syokla. But it should never be a reason for you to disrespect me. Play with me, fool me, or worst, use me. I should know my worth. Dapat alam ko kung paano ko bigyan ng importansya yung sarili ko kahit na bading ako. Ako na lang yung lumalaban sa relasyong to for almost 7 years. Pumayag ako kahit na magka-girlfriend ka sa loob ng 7 years relationship natin. Pero tama na. Tama na, ang sakit na. And please, wag mong isiping hindi na kita mahal. Mahal na mahal kita, but I have to let you go. Sorry for the mistake I've done kung meron man. At sorry sa mga bagay-bagay na hindi ko na maibigay sa iyo. Ilang beses ko itong pinag-isipan. Ilang beses kong pinag-isipan yung tungkol sa future ko o kung ano man yung plano para sa ating dalawa. But now I am decided to let you go because I love you. To let you go and to let you love somebody else freely. Alam ko madali lang para sa'yo na umalis kasi hindi naman ako nagmamatter to you. Ito yung mga bagay sana na wini-wish ko na ibibigay mo ng unconditional. Pero wala eh. So ako muna magbibigay nun sa sarili ko. Yung self-love and self-worth. Para matutunan ko namang i-value yung sarili ko. Ako na muna. Siguro kung mapapakinggan mo to, sasabihin mong, sorry. Sorry. At siguro, baka matunaw na naman yung galit ko, ang sama ng loob ko. Tapos, bigyan kita ng tsansa. I honestly want to accept your apologies kung magsosorry ka. I want to believe you when you say, magbabago ka na. I want to keep you in my world. Pero alam ko, hindi na makabubuti sa atin yun. Marami na akong binigay na pagkakataon. And you made me regret every single one of them. I cannot keep doing this. I'm not going to sacrifice my happiness in order to remain in a relationship that became toxic a long time ago. Uuwi ako this month sa summer. And I hope magkita ulit tayo to have a good closure. I just want you to know that I love you with all my heart. Again, my plan is for your own good and for the best future that I can have. Kailangan kong baguhin yung mga choices ko. Kasi hindi na nag-work for me. Alam natin parehas yun. Exhausted na ako. Ang paglayo ko sa'yo ay ang magandang desisyong gagawin ko sa buhay ko. Hindi man ako masaya, pero alam ko, ito yung kinakailangan kong gawin. You showed me the kind of person you really are. Someone who lies, who cheats, who manipulates, who only looks out for themselves. Ang hirap, no? Kasi ang relationship, it should be you and me sharing efforts to make things work. Hindi puro ikaw na lang o ako ang mag-a-adjust. Sa totoo lang, I wanna stay with you. I wanna live with you. And if possible, I wanna grow old with you. But you took that future away from us when you broke my heart for the 100th time. Gusto ko sana kitang bigyan ng isa pang pagkakataon to at least, alam mo yun, help you grow and build a strong character. Kaya lang pagod na ako. I'm not going to lower my standards to keep a relationship alive when it deserves to die. You can act like I'm the bad gay for leaving you, for betraying you, or use you. Pero ikaw naman yung humiling nito Not allowed, but through your actions. Because if you really wanted me to stay, then you would have given me respect. You would have become a better person if the thought of losing me was so difficult for you to bear. Kaya lang stubborn ka, lazy ka, at higit sa lahat, heartless ka to make any sort of change. Sana maintindihan mo ako. And if someday makita mo ang dream girl mo, please don't be shy to let her know about us. And in that way, makikita mo kung tanggap ka niya for who you are or who you were or yung past mo. Please do me a favor. In case makakita ka ng bagong gay, if possible, don't let me see you. Yung magkasama kayo, wag naman, no. Sobrang sakit nun eh. And please respect that lucky gay and treat her like a queen or girl. Basta mag-ingat ka lagi. And always remember, mahal kita. Pero paalam na. Love, Wilma.
Always your number one SM radio station. Love Radio.
Kabisyo, nakarelate ka ba sa secret file na binasa ko? Kung nakarelate ka, mag-subscribe ka na dito sa aming YouTube channel at pindutin mo na rin ang notification bell para updated ka sa mga susunod na episodes ng DJ Raqi Secret File.